From the NBA, let's go to the PBA. Last Sunday, the Iron Man of Philippine basketball made his much-awaited return to the PBA floor after almost 10 months of absence due to stage 3 colon cancer. After showing his never-say-die spirit and beating cancer, Latiniente L.A. Tenorio made his comeback for Barangay Ginebra and helped the Barangay to take out the Terra Firma Jeep 110-99. He dropped 6 points and 3 assists in his first game this conference and showed that he can still make an impact for a championship team. His return was a moment basketball fans and his close friends, including myself, will not soon forget. But what did Latiniente L.A. Tenorio himself feel during his return to the PBA? Guess what? He's back inside the studio, not just in the PBA, but back here. Live in the studios of Sports Desk and CNN Philippines to go all out on this story. The man of the moment, Latiniente, PBA icon, and General L.A. Tenorio. Kailangan lapitan si General dito. Ayan.
Bigay pugay?
Bigay pugay. Bigay pugay ka din?
Ilan?
Ganda nito. Wala mga kapatid to?
Ano yan eh? Yan talaga Hinebro.
Pakita mo nga. Pakita.
Tunay na tapang.
Never say. Mabibili ba ng fans yan? Available ba yan?
Hindi eh.
So papamigay mo lang?
Ano yung question mo lang?
Una sa lahat.
Marami nakaabang dito.
Welcome back. Live tayo dito. Welcome back to the studio. And congratulations sa iyo, Pards.
Thank you. Thank you again for having me, Pards. Every time na nandito ako, it's a special moment o may nangyaring special sa career ko. Doon lang ako na-invite
Hindi
dito.
Lagi pati nag-a-analyze ka din
Pero it's I'm very happy to be back here and again share my story again.
It's always great to hear your story because it is an inspiring story. Not just to basketball fans, but also to those who are going through or went through that same situation that you went through. But ang daming masaya. Lahat kami masaya para sa'yo. Sabi nga ni Mark Molina, who was an analyst in that game, you are such an inspiring person. How was that like? Unahin natin yun. That game, walking into the PhilSports Arena, kwento mo sa amin lahat yon, seeing your old teammates sa Ateneo, Enrico Villanueva, Baji Del Rosario, your friends, Zanjo Marudo, seeing everybody, your relatives, and there to support you.
Actually, going to that game, sobrang busy ako. Actually, I never thought of, actually, tinatanong ako kung ano yung feeling ko going to the game, before the game, the day before the game, the night before the game, no? Marami nagtatanong.
Nakatulog ka ba?
Oo naman. Sarap nga ng tulog ko. Actually, to be honest, I treated the game the last game, no? I treated the game as if it's a normal game, no? It's just an ordinary game for me. Alam ko, kasi I invited all my friends, lahat ng mga special na tao, inimbita ko talaga lahat ng. Actually, kulang pa nga yun eh. Inimbita ko talaga lahat ng mga, sumama sa akin all throughout my journey. No? Lahat ng mga nagdasal at sumuporta sa akin. Kung kaya ko imbitahin lahat, imbitahin ko talaga lahat. But, because of their schedule also, even alam ko na nandun sila, talagang I tried my best, no, not to feel the excitement that much. Kasi it will affect my game. Ako, pag tinatanong ako, I'm just very thankful, no? At saka sobrang grateful ako na nakabalik ako. That's it. Yun lang, nakabalik ako, nakatapak ulit ako ng basketball court. Sobrang masaya na ako noon. And but the bottom line in that game is really for us to win, no? Just like what I told my teammates during the huddle, no? I know this is a very emotional, very big game for me. But I think more than that is really for us to get this victory, no? Siguro mas magiging special kung mananalo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun. Siyempre nandun yung excitement, di ba? But medyo binalance ko naman and natuwa lang ako. We got the win and then nandun yung mga tao sumuporta, di ba? So,
dumating ba sa point na inisip mong, teka, postpone ko muna. Baka pwedeng next year, 2024 na pagbabalik ko. O hindi, talagang.
Actually, it was scheduled the week before December 3. But I cannot play my first game without Boss Al Francis. Boss Al Francis was out of town. And then nakabalik siya end of the month, November 30. So I cannot play my first game without Boss. Si Boss Al, alam naman ng lahat, but he's a very, he's my Parang pangalawang tatay ko yan eh.
Yeah, of course.
Kasama sa pamilya. Alam mo yan. Diba? So, syempre, for this special moment, hindi pwedeng mawala yung mga taong special. So, sayang lang, my doctors and my nurse, my doctor and my nurse, hindi nakapunta yesterday because they cannot skip the clinic tomorrow. So,
next time pa naman eh. May next time pa naman eh.
Sa amin.
So, nung nandun na, game, mga bata kalaban, terra firma, may ka ba na, kaya ko pa bang sumabay? May pumasok ba sa isip mo na, kaya ko pa bang sumabay dito?
Ang bilis ng game, ha? Ang bilis na ng game ngayon.
Talaga?
O nabagal lang talaga ako.
Naramdaman mo?
Yung simula, medyo nahihilo ko. The rules, actually, I made a lot of mistakes sa defensive rules namin. I totally forgot. Oh, ito pala yung defensive rule namin. Totally forgot. And I kept on telling my teammates, remind me please, talk to me. And good thing about the game also, the first game was, actually mas excited pa yung mga teammates ko, yung buong team kaysa sa akin. And sobrang nakakataba ng puso, nakakatuwa na they really supported me. No? From the start, na nag-practice ako, day 1 of my practice joining the team, until Saturday. They were really excited. They were really, supporting me and kept on talking to me.
Of course.
So I'm very thankful. Laking tulong. Ang laking tulong.
Ito pinakamatagal mong nawala sa basketball. I've known you since, 2000, 2001. And ito na yung pinakamatagal, di ba, na nawala ka sa basketball? Hindi ka nawawala kahit UAP, PBL, kahit ano pa nila.
PBL,
wala, di ba? Kahit PBA, syempre, Ironman ka nga eh. Ano yung nakita mong pagbabago? Hindi lang sa laro, sabi mo nga, parang bumilis na yung laro ngayon. Sa kalaban mo man o sa mga teammates mo, sa sarili mo.
Tingin ko yung pagbabago sa sarili ko is my perspective in life, in general, no? Not only in basketball, no? In general. Katulad yan na sinabi ko sa statement ko, I might not be the same LA Tenorio as before, the way I play, no? But, sana makita ng mga tao by me playing again, coming back to the game. Sana makita ng mga tao na the better LA, no? Yun yung gusto kong makita ng mga tao. Actually, hindi ako bumalik sa basketball not because, to get all the achievements and everything, to prove something, but I really pursue to come back just to be an inspiration, not only to aspiring basketball players, but in general, in life, no? Na talaga you just have to be, you have to live in a lot of positivity. Don't take anything for granted. No, so and of course, it's a testimony. Marami nga nagsasabi sa akin ng mga kaibigan ko na yung ginawa ko, yung pagbabalik ko, it's really a testimony of my faith. Na talagang faith will really save us.
Amen.
Talagang yun yung pinanghawakan ko the whole journey ko. Baga, wala naman tayong control eh. That's beyond our control. Yun.
Pards, alam mo, sabi ko nga di ba, ever since college, daming pa-picture sa'yo, idol! Kasi LA Tenorio, the basketball player. Ito, LA Tenorio. Sabi mo in life, the cancer survivor. Even Gino Rufino posted. Ang ganda nun in that friend. We'll get to that. Sagutin natin lahat yan. And kamusta si Tony Bishop? Siyempre, wala si Justin Brownlee, iba na may Tony Bishop. First time mo nakalaro on the court. Nakakampi. Si Tony Bishop, di ba? Dati, kalaban mo sa Meralco. Lahat ng yan. Latiniente LA Tenorio still with us live on the show. We'll just take a really quick break. We promise. Stay tuned to Sports Desk only here on CNN Philippines, where we go all out for the day's top sports stories. Latiniente LA Tenorio. Welcome back to Sports Desk only here on CNN Philippines. And as you can see, our guest today, Latiniente LA Tenorio, talking about his comeback and the feeling of being back. May tinanong ako, mabilisan lang, kanina bago tayo mag-commercial break. Tony Bishop, kamusta? Dahil last time nga na naglaro ka para sa Inebra, si Justin Brownlee pang import.
Parang ang tagal na no? Parang ang tagal na huli ako talaga naglaro, no? No, actually, syempre, I'm still, getting to know him. No? Especially as a point guard. No, but constantly, like during practices, talagang lagi kami magkakusap. I always talk to him. Talagang I always, kumbaga parang nililid ko siya kung alam kong saan yung strength niya. Kasi that's the easiest way for him to be effective. So actually, ganun din ang ginawa ko dati kay Justin. So, good thing, I'm just really thankful na talaga yung mga teammates ko napapasunod ko lang. Alam mo yun?
Siyempre, L.A. Tenorio, takot lang nila sa'yo.
Hindi, dahil ako yung pinakamatanda sa kanila. Wala silang choice. So, hindi, pero yun yung okay sa team namin. They're all good listeners.
Yeah.
And I think that's why, so far,
And you know why also? You're a very good leader. No, you're a very good leader. You, diba? No, hindi siguro. You've gotten the respect also. Alam ko napakahalaga sa'yo ng basketball, diba? I've known you for a long time. Pero may punto ba na naisip mo, alam ko na pag-usapan natin off camera, pero yung, parang ayoko na mag-basket. Or parang napunto na, hindi na ako mag-basketball ulit.
Honestly, during the course of the treatment, I never thought of me playing basketball again. No, I really focused on, yes, merong goal na gano'n.
Of course.
Pero hindi natin kasi hawak, katulad na sabi ko kanina, hindi naman natin hawak yung everyday, especially, balikan ko lang yung
Sige.
Kasi, pag inisip ko kasi yung ganong klaseng sakit, yung Big C, di ba? Hindi mo na alam kung ano mangyayari sa'yo the next day, di ba? Kasi nga, siyempre nakakatakot siya. No? So, hindi ko na muna inisip talaga yun. Ang inisip ko is for me to get healthy and then let's see. From there, let's see kung kaya kong bumalik. Yun yung pinocus ko talaga. I focused on healing for my family, for my children, for my wife, for all of my friends, lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. Yun, gusto kong gumaling para sa kanila. Kasi malilit pa yung mga anak ko.
Oo, pinag-usapan natin yan.
Pinag-usapan natin yan, di ba?
Si Reese, yung bunso mo, yung only girl mo. I mean, di ba?
Actually, talaga yun yung pinocus ko. And then, nung nabigyan ako, actually, towards the end of my treatment, when my nurse and my doctor said that my treatment is doing well, and they lowered down, they tapered down the chemo, nilalagay sa akin. Then that's the time na I think I'm gonna be okay. Then I started, isipin na, ko yun, kunin ko yung goal na yun, which is to go back and playing again. And then when I started playing again, alam mo yun, para akong bata na nag-enjoy ulit. And then I set a timeline for me. So, ganun ako nagsiset ako ng timeline para alam ko yung progression ko, kung saan ko hanggang dadalhin. So, with the help of my team, my coaching staff, my team, and especially our trainers, sobrang talagang tinutukan talaga ako. So, yun, nakuha namin. Sobrang blessed ako na December 3, I played a decent game naman.
Oo naman.
So, yun. So,
yung comeback, di ba? How many months? 10 months? Tapos, di ba? Talagang...
medyo nahilo lang ako talaga noong una. Kasi hindi ko... Ang bibilis Ang bibilis. Tapos, I was guarding pa Wami Chosun.
Bata pa. Alam mo na, I also got to meet there. Gino Rufino was covering that game. And we asked permission. Thank you, Gino. And then, his friend OJ. Because we were talking about, di ba, L.A. Tenorio, the basketball player. Di ba, idol, latiniente, kabarangay. Pero ito, also, you're serving now as an inspiration that to people who, di ba, going through the same thing. You beat that Big C. Talk to me about that and meeting OJ and being an inspiration to cancer survivors.
Napag-usapan lang namin yun during one of the events na magkakasama kami ni Gino and Mark Nelson and the friends, na meron nga silang friend which is OJ nga na meron din na same situation.
Colon.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah,
okay.
So same situation that I had, no. So I was sinabi ko kagad, for sure. Sabi ko, bigyan ng ticket, surprise daw nila.
Yeah.
So kasi syempre medyo down, 'di ba? Hindi lumalabas sa bahay kasi 'di ba syempre natatakot. So sabi ko, sige. And then hopefully I can meet him. So yun. Nakita kami sa game, sobrang nag-enjoy siya. And then after the game, I met him and I told him, nakita mo naman, sabi ko, ako, nakabalik ako. Kayang-kaya yan, sabi ko. Just be positive lang at all times. Make sure that you're in a, kumbaga parang yung, sabi ko sa kanya, yung support system. Napakalaking bagay ng support system. And always be positive, every day. Just, syempre, the most important thing is really prayers. Yun lang talaga ang yun lang talaga ang magiging sagot sa lahat. Prayers and faith natin.
At nalapit ka pa nga kay tayo ng patron saint, St. Padre Pio of Petrelcina.
Actually, before pa naman ako was diagnosed.
Oo naman, you were
Kaya ako parang the more that I
Of course.
Parang really naramdaman ko yung...
Yeah. Kasi kahit dati naman nakikita ko gaano ka
yung
face
presence
mo.
niya.
Yeah. Pards, syempre, nung time din away from being a player, di ba, congratulations pa. Congratulate na kita, gold medal Asian Games as an assistant coach. May panahon ba na inisip mo na din, mag full-time na lang kaya akong assistant coach and then coach?
Hindi eh. Hindi talaga. Hindi ko talaga pa naiisip. Kumaga, hindi pa ako ready. Kasi ang pagiging coach, kailangan ready ka at saka talagang 100% sure ka. Dedicated to be a coach. No? Pero nung nakita ko, grabe, parang hindi ko pa kaya yung pressure na to. Tsaka at that moment, yung stress bawal sa akin eh.
Oo nga, lalong matataas stress.
Siguro, to be honest, I'm not closing my doors. No?
Yeah.
A lot of people are saying that I'll be a good coach. Yeah. Siguro maybe in time.
Head coach lang natin UAP.
Ha? Paalala tayo.
Joke lang.
Medyo mahirap naman yan. Mahirap na yata yun.
Joke lang.
Pero why not? Diba? But again, sinasabi ko nga, ang pagiging coach is really kailangan, 100% sure ka na gusto mong hawakan yung position na yun.
Ano ba bang gustong ma-accomplish ng isang LA Tenorio? At marami din mga nagpatanong sa social media, ng mga nagtanong. Time out tayo ulit, mabilisan lang. But later, LA will answer some of the questions that you sent us online. Stay tuned to Sports Desk, only here on CNN Philippines. We'll be right back with La Teniente, LA Tenorio. And we're back. Thank you for joining us. Ateneo Blue Eagles forward Kai Balungay announcing that he will forgo his last collegiate year to go pro on IG. Balungay bid his school teammates, coaches farewell. He made his UAP debut last season after transferring from Stanislaus State in the U.S. And still with us today is former Ateneo Blue Eagle, King Eagle Ateneo. Before back in this Ateneo playing this in the UAP, La Teniente, LA Tenorio. And let's take a look at some of the questions that you sent in for LA in a segment we call Tagal. Fans want to know. Yan na. This question is coming from Kyle Raja Barroso Insha, and he wants to know, sino yung pinakamahirap mo nakabantayan sa career mo at kanino ka pa pinakabilib pagdating sa pagiging point guard?
Ano ba yan? PBA lang? Or
Ikaw, kahit anong. Nakabantay mo.
Sa career ko? Siyempre, si JJ Barea.
FIBA,
diba? Yung pinakamahirap na bantayan.
At yun din yung nabilib ka pagdating sa pagiging point guard?
Siyempre, doon pa rin ako sa bilib. Locally, it's talaga. Si Coach Olsen, Coach Johnny talaga, tsaka Coach Hector, Boss Hector Calma.
Johnny Abarrientos, Olsen Racela.
Oo, yan. Doon ko pinaton yung game ko.
At kita naman, di ba? Hector the director to, La Teniente. Ito naman galing kay Vince Saurin. He wants to know how important is leadership in basketball and how do you fulfill that role?
Very important ang leadership sa basketball kasi kung medyo nagkakagulo, siyempre 5 players yan di ba? Someone has to cover or someone has to be leader talaga inside the court kasi kung hindi magkakagulo yung limang yun. Napaka-importante nun. Not necessarily point guard, di ba? Pwedeng big guy, pwedeng small forward, pwedeng, before it was Joe who was our leader. So, and kailangan ma-fulfill yun kasi for you to be successful. Diba?
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Nagtanong kulang kami sa oras. Mabilisan. Ano pang gusto ma-accomplish ng isang LA Tenorio? Then mabilisan na message. Tapos babay na tayo.
Okay. Ma-accomplish ko actually, siyempre aside from winning championship and everything, but for now, my goal really is to inspire a lot of people. Not only, basketball players after what I've been through. Diba? Siyempre, while playing basketball, ang gusto ko ma-inspire ko yung mga aspiring basketball players to excel and not take anything for granted and always stay at the moment and enjoy the moment. But more than that, it's that's why I'm here. It's more than basketball already. So I want to inspire a lot of people, especially those who are experienced and naka-experience or na-experience itong pinagdaanan ko. So, yun.
At sa lahat ng sumusuporta kay LA, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Yes, maraming salamat again and again and again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much to all your prayers and support and sana huwag kayong magsasawa. And siyempre, parati ko sinasabi, have faith and enjoy the moment. No?
Hope, don't worry.
Hope, Pray and don't worry.
Maraming salamat, Latiniente L.A. Tenorio. Thank you. Maraming
Thank you.
salamat, Pards.
Thank you, Pards.
Always. Thank you
Always.
so much. Love you. Alam mo naman yun.
Yes.
We've reached today's finish line. Join us again live at 8:30 p.m. tomorrow for today's top sports stories. I'm Andre Felix. He's Latiniente L.A. Tenorio. Thank you for watching Sports Desk only here on CNN Philippines. Up next is the final word. Stay tuned.